Did you miss Vince Friese at Supercross this weekend? Probably not, unless you are a huge fan of the chaos. But the reason he wasn't there, he was extending his points lead in the Arenacross Championship. Round 7 in Guthrie, Oklahoma. There it is. With a 3-1 to take home the victory over Ryan Brees, who went 2-2, and Michael Hicks, who went 1-4. Now, after 7 rounds, Friese holds a 17-point lead over Hicks in the championship. And obviously, it's kind of weird. There's a lot of people talking about this. Like, why would you go to, let's be honest here, a probably small town in Oklahoma to race for little cash? I'm not picking on Arena Cross here. I'm just saying the purses are normally smaller. The the overall exposure is much smaller. And I mean, I guess for them, they have the chance for MCR or for Moto Concepts and Vince Friese, they have the chance at winning a title. So this probably could be good for them if you wanna look at it that way. But you notice Vince Friese's gone. The weekend at Supercross was nice and easy. Nobody got injured. Nobody got taken out. Okay, somebody got taken out, but it wasn't horrible. It's just kind of one of those funny things that, like, the whole of the dirt bike main focus is over at Anaheim in California for A2, and Moto Concepts is like, nah, we're not going to go to that, major thing. We're going to go over here. And it does. It makes sense for them if they're leading a championship. They can technically go win a Arena Cross championship, which they're not going to do in Supercross. So for the team, it might actually be kind of smart. And hey, Arena Cross is cool. They don't come around me, so I don't ever get to see it, which kind of sad. Or like at least in person, I don't get to see it. I do watch as much of it as I possibly can. But that's where I'm going to leave you guys. What do you think of this? What do you think of them going to this instead of Supercross? Have you been watching Arena Cross at all? What do you think of Freezy? Might you actually getting a title in this? Who knows? Comment down below. Tell me what you think while you're down there. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it really just helped me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.